open it.
Okay, open it.
I want to see it. It's an Xbox! It's an Xbox One!
Wow.
Holy smokes! Oh my God! Wait, we need another controller.
Okay, well, bring over the other stuff.
The ones that have two. Yeah. For the new Xbox. I'm so dang happy. Me too. Where would you set it off?
Downstairs.
Okay, let's open it.
It's not going in anybody's room.
Let's open this way.
Okay, well, just a second. Have you red tags on them?
No, they're for both of us.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
No, just wait,
No,
wait.
that's just for Wyatt. That's for Wyatt. This one's for me. You're a kitty! Oh! I'm just moving!
No?
You're a kitty. It's you, kitty. It's you, kitty.
Don't
Why
rip.
don't open it? It's Lego. I love Lego. Okay. Let's open this one. Let's open this one for both of us. Yeah. Okay. It's an Xbox One controller.
Cool.
Yeah. With one. Yeah. I call it.
Wyatt, do you need to go pee?
Yeah.
Well, then go.
It comes, this one, that one comes with a black one, and this one comes with a wood one. Sweet, we got an Xbox.
Okay, why don't you put that off to the side? Pick up all the garbage.
Ooh, this is a heavy Xbox. I thought it was a puppy or something. It's so heavy. Ooh.
And get all the garbage. Cool. So what that is...
It's all lit. Oh, and it comes with an Xbox game.
It's an Xbox thing where you build it all on the Xbox.
Yeah.
And that's what those other parts are, the smaller ones.
It doesn't say it's for Xbox. What is? It doesn't say for an Xbox.
Yeah, but it's all dimensions and it's part of Xbox, so...
Wait, look at all these players. I know. There's, what's his name?
Oh, yeah. Okay, what about the other stuff?
Ah, there's Joker.
Okay, come on, guys.
Let's go. Okay, you got me distracted. Okay, okay, let's open that.
Hey, gentle, Wyatt.
What is it? It's more stuff for the Xbox. How did you know? I see Harley Quinn. There's Jaiden. Oh, it has Harley Quinn on it.
Cool.
Okay, let's open this. I hope this is Minecraft. Do this. The Xbox.
Luke, get out of there.
Secret Life of Pets. Where's that? There's action there. Oh, and it comes with the movie.
Cool.
Awesome. Oh, yeah.
There, so what do you guys think?
Santa! We got an Xbox! Holy smokes! We got an Xbox.
So you guys happy with everything you
Hell
got?
yeah! I'm opening up my Tuesdays. I'm going to open up.
Hey, so what do you guys say?
Thank you! I'm so dang happy we got